Hey guys, this is Wahab from River Mist Landscape. We just finished this project. This is a cool project. For a pathway, we use Blue Grande and Tika. We use shrubs here with the Pietra edging on the flower bed. For the actual patio, we use Blue 60 from Techo-Bloc in onyx black inlay. It's a gray nickel color. The window well is nicely covered there. The steps, we put a water feature here, and also the seating wall, barbecue area, all these tall trees, blue Kentucky grass. So the cool thing about this project I like is my customer here is very tech savvy and he wants everything automated. So the waterfall, it can turn on and turn off by voice activated. So let's see if it can work right now.
Hey Google, turn on waterfall.
There you go. So the waterfall starts, and also the lights. Beautiful. It's a cool thing about this project. Let's turn it off, see if it.
Hey Google, turn off waterfall.
There you go. So you don't have to unplug, plug it back in every time you need it to turn on. So all you have to do is just command. Alright guys, if you have any project in mind, let us know. Phone number 613-818-5650, or you can go to our website rivermistlandscape.com. Thank you. Take care.